What if the path to your dream career is just a cloud away? Have you ever considered that? Enter Azure, Microsoft's ever-growing set of cloud services that is transforming industries and redefining the tech landscape. Imagine this. Sarah, a software engineer from Seattle, was stuck in a rut, feeling like her career was going nowhere. She took a leap of faith, invested her time in Azure, and now she's leading an innovative project at a top tech firm. Then there's James, a data analyst from Dublin. He was always curious about cloud computing but didn't know where to start. Azure became his starting point, and now he's using cloud analytics to reshape his company's data strategy. These are not just stories. These are testaments of how Azure can open doors to new opportunities and give your career an edge. Why Azure, you ask? Because it's more than just a cloud service. It's a tool that helps you innovate, collaborate, and problem solve. It's a platform that fosters creativity, enabling you to build, deploy, and manage applications on a global scale. Learning Azure is not rocket science. The resources are vast and accessible, and the community is ever supportive. From interactive learning paths to hands-on labs, there's a resource for every learning style. No matter where you are in your career or what your background is, Azure has something for you. It's a skill that's in demand, a skill that sets you apart. So, what are you waiting for? The cloud is within your reach. It's time to seize the opportunity and ride the wave of digital transformation. It's time to start your Azure journey and see where it takes you. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and your step could be Azure.